What's up guys, today I'm going to be redrawing one of my favourite species of animal. I'll teach you some tips and tricks along the way. Let's get into it, shall we? Alright, I'm just going to start with the shape, build off it. Then I'm just going to thicken up the line, give it some more character, cartoony effects. Right, and then I'll colour it in. Just add some shading effects, some scales. And then I'll give it a sick shining effect, just to give it some sunlight, some character, you know what I'm saying? And then I'll colour in the little stream of water around it. And then add some sparkling effects to it. There we go. And then I'll give it the title, label it, and we're done here.